Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the class. In the previous class, we have completed parallel projection, and its types. And today we have discussed perspective projection, okay, and the different types of perspective projection. Okay, so let us come in detail. Perspective projection. Perspective projection transforms object position to the view plane while converging to a center point of projection. Okay. In parallel projection, it does not produce the realistic view, but it preserves the relative proportion. But here in perspective projection, it produces realistic view but does not preserve the relative proportion. Okay. Projection of distant object are smaller than the projection of object of the same size that are closer to the projection plane. Okay. In perspective projection, farther away object from viewer, small it appears. Okay. The object is far away from the eye contact, but it appears closer, but it appears small. Okay. This property of projection gives an idea about the depth. Okay. The artist used perspective projection from drawing in three-dimensional scene. Okay. There are two main characteristics of perspective projection. One is vanishing point, another one is perspective foreshortening. So in this example, here this one is our original image. When we projected this, when we projected this, here it looks like closer, but it is smaller. Okay. Due to foreshortening, object and length appears smaller from the center of projection. More we increase the distance from the center projection, smaller will be the object appear. Okay. Foreshortening object and length appears as smaller from the center of projection. Okay. But we increase the distance from the center of projection, smaller will be the object appear. In this example, here this one is our center of projection. Okay. This rectangular is our view plane. Okay. And the object is here. When the object is in the view plane, this one is our original object. The point is P is XYZ, and here this one is our view plane. The object is in the view plane look like this, and the point is P dash, which one is our coordinate position is X dash, Y dash and Z dash. But in this view plane, we rotate the X, and this one is our view reference point. Okay. And this one is view plane normal. Okay. So how the object is realistic to closure. Okay. The center of projection means it is a point where lines or projection that are not parallel to the projection plane appear to meet. And projection plane means the view plane is determined as view reference point, and another one is view plane normal. View reference point is our this one. Okay. Which one is R0, X0, Y0, Z0. Then another one is our location of an object. It is specified by a point P that is located in the world coordinate X, Y, Z. Here world coordinate is this one. World coordinate is this one. Okay. And view coordinate is this one. Okay. world coordinate at xyz location. The objective of perspective projection is to determine the image point P dash whose coordinates are x dash, y dash and z dash. Okay. Now let us discuss what are the different types of perspective projection. Classification perspective projection is on the basis of vanishing point. What is vanishing point? First we discuss, then we categorize the perspective projection. Okay. It is the point where all lines are appear to meet. We can say that a vanishing point is a point where projection lines are intersect the view plane. In this example, this point is the vanishing point where all the lines are meet at a point. Okay. There can be 1 point, 2 point or 3 point of perspectives. Now we discuss the perspective projection types. Perspective projection can be categorized in 3 types. First is 1 point, second is 2 point, third is 3 point. Okay. First we discuss 1 point perspective projection. 1 point perspective projection occurs when any of principal axes intersect with projection plane, or we can say that when projection plane is perpendicular to the principal axis. At that time or in that case we can say that this is 1 point perspective projection. That means all the lines are intersect with the projection plane or all the axes are perpendicular to the projection plane. Okay. In this figure, all the lines are intersect in a point, which one in the z axis vanishing point. Okay. In the figure below, z axis intersect projection plane where x and y axis remain parallel to the projection plane. All the axes are x axis and y axis are remain same, but in the z axis all the lines are intersect at the projection point or at the meet at the vanishing point. So this is known as 1 point projection, perspective projection. Okay. Next we discuss 2 point perspective projection. 2 point perspective projection occur when projection plane intersect two of principal of axis. That means here vanishing points are 2. Okay. There are 2 vanishing point. One is the x direction and other in the y direction. Okay. In this figure, projection plane intersect x and y axis where z axis remain parallel to the projection plane. 2 point perspective gives the better impression of the depth. Here in the x axis are 2 vanishing point, which one is our x axis vanishing point, another one is our y axis vanishing point, and this one is our original image, and this one is our x axis vanishing point, and this one is our y axis vanishing point, but z axis remain parallel to the same in both point of view. Okay, so this is known as 2 point perspective projection. Let us discuss in 3 point perspective projection. 3 point perspective projection occurs when all 3 axes intersect with a projection plane. There is no any principal of axis which is parallel to the projection plane. There are 3 vanishing points. One is x, second in y, third in 2 direction. Okay. 3 points of perspective projection is most difficult to draw. But here these 3 are our x, z coordinate, z axis, x axis and y axis, and here this one first vanishing, second vanishing and third, 3 vanishing points. Okay. All the lines are parallel but meet at a 1 vanishing point. So in this way we can show the three vanishing point in which this is known as three point perspective projection. It is difficult to draw. Now let us discuss the characteristics of perspective projection. Perspective projection include three types: 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. It cannot give the accurate view of the object. Perspective projection represents the object in three-dimensional way. Okay, it forms a realistic picture of the object, and the distance of the object from the center of projection is finite, but in parallel projection it is infinite. Okay. Projector in perspective projection is not parallel. Perspective projection cannot preserve the relative proportion of an object. The lines of perspective projection are not parallel. Okay, so these are the characteristics of perspective projection. Now let us discuss the application. Perspective projection technique is used by artists, but in parallel projection can be used by engineer or architects. Okay. Here it is used by artists in preparing drawings of 3D object or scenes. Okay. So this one is about perspective projection. So let us discuss what are the difference between parallel projection and perspective projection. In parallel projection, it represents the object in different way like telescope. But in perspective projection, it represents the object in three-dimensional way. Okay. And in parallel, the effects are not created. But in perspective, objects that are far away appear smaller, objects that are near appear bigger. In parallel, effects are not created, but in perspective, objects which are far away that appear smaller, and that object which are near appear bigger. Okay, and in parallel, the distance of object from the center projection is infinite, but in perspective, it is finite. Okay, and in parallel it gives the accurate view of object, but in perspective it cannot give the accurate view of the object. In parallel projection the lines are parallel, in perspective the lines are not parallel. Okay, and in parallel the projection is also parallel, but in perspective projection are not parallel. Okay, and parallel projection is two types, orthographic and oblique, but in perspective projection it can three types: 1 point, 2 point and 3 point perspective. But in parallel projection it does not form realistic view of object, but in perspective it forms a realistic view of object. So today we have completed the perspective projection and what are the difference between perspective and parallel projection. So that's all in this class. In the next class we will discuss another thing. Okay.